There's always something new to learn. I've done theatre before, but yours truly is really, really unique in so many ways that I can't even tell you.
Learning can be fun provided it is properly designed and imparted. And this is what yours truly had done to us in this particular entire program, because we had so much of fun. We had amazing laughter.
In this lockdown, I decided to join a theatre, and I can say YT is the great platform to start my journey. So thank you so much for YT for this thing. And from the day one to day, it's 21st day. So I can say the journey from day one to 21st, it's so much good, so much good.
By the end of every session, we used to have this what are your thoughts? So every time I used to say, I'm curious to know more. I'm hungry.
I'm still a bit shy, but if you compare me like 20 days before, it was a completely different person than what I'm right now.
Throughout the workshop, we never really spoke about the process or the thing that we are going to learn. They were very persistent on telling us all of us should just enjoy this journey.
The way you were guiding and not, you were guiding and yet not getting fully involved, and at the same time still encouraging us to explore more, come out with our own stuff. So I think that all was really, really great.
The exercises now when I'm performing and when I'm rehearsing and doing, I'm getting those exercises in meaning of those exercises, I can say, and can implement those things into it.
They were very supportive. They would just give us hints here and there, but never really told us what to do, because I knew, I got to know later that it would, if we take advice from them, it will drive us in a certain way. They didn't want that to happen. I think their intention, if I'm not wrong, they wanted us to, come up with a concept, and they want us to be ourselves.
As somebody said, that we never met we never met these guys face to face, but still we developed a sense of camaraderie, right? So in brainstorming, we teach people, we tell people that you should be receptive to others' idea, and that's what we have seen here. So we eventually learn to express ourselves a lot more. If there is one thing that I have really, really learned here, is to express ourselves a lot more.
I hardly used to interact, but later on, like after few classes, I was like, I was the only one who used to speak.
It was such a nice journey, and I'm really grateful. It's a gratitude to be a part of such a great theatre workshop, and I'm looking forward to learn a lot from all of you.
Literally, I like the whole session and this performance, all the rehearsal parts and everything.
It was really an exciting journey for me as well, and every moment there was something to learn.